a lot of times people say, if you want to become an artist, prepare to stay poor. And, I think that's completely and utterly false. They start citing examples like, well, Van Gogh's artwork never became worth anything until he died, and same for this artist and that musician, that whatever the case might be. The absolute truth of the matter is, you should do anything that you are passionate about. You should absolutely pursue anything that you love to do. Simple. I don't think you should do anything in your life that you don't feel you're drawn to because you're afraid that you are not going to succeed financially as a result of that thing. Here's the reality. The reality is that you have to be good or great at something, but you have to be phenomenal at understanding how to market yourself. You are a brand. You're an individual. You have your individual traits. You have your trademark. You have your slogan. You have your look. You have your style. You have your, whether you're a musician or an artist, you have your artistic style. You have your musical style. Whatever that case might be, there is an audience for that. And the key is to hone in on who you are and market the hell out of that. Become a great marketer. People, you can hear, listen to music and see artwork and be like, how did this thing achieve, this, acclaim? How did it achieve this type of recognition? The reality is, because if you are able to get to the masses, it's a numbers game. And you've got to get to a point where there are enough people that will support or appreciate what it is that you do, regardless of how great you think you might be or not. Look, there's a lot of talent out there that never get noticed. You're not going to tell me now that there are not 1,000 John Mayers out there. There are not 1,000 Elton Johns out there. There are absolutely dozens and dozens and dozens of talented people out there. The problem is those people don't exploit themselves, don't give themselves public opportunity in the eyes of the public to sort of create an image for themselves, to create a brand. So today, your responsibility is to hone in, make a decision, and start crafting your brand. Craft who it is that you are as an artist, as a singer, as a dancer, as a YouTuber, whatever the case might be, and hone in on that. Focus, because really, study marketing. If I'm going to tell anyone to do something that I feel can have tremendous impact,